What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another cooking video. Today we're gonna be making protein nutter butter cups. Okay, this recipe only calls for 4 ingredients, and the first will be our nutter butter ghost protein powder, coconut oil, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and granola. Okay, first we're going to add 1/3 cup of semi-chocolate chips into a mug, and then 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're going to microwave until it's melted. Okay, once it's melted, we're just going to mix it well, and then we're going to add just a little bit to the bottom of each liner. Okay, so now they're in the freezer, so we're gonna let those sit for about 5 minutes as we make our filling. Okay, so for our filling, we're going to do 1 scoop of the nutter butter protein powder, and then 2 tablespoons of water or either milk. So it should be pretty thick. Okay, after we mix it, we're going to add in our granola. So we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of granola, and then we're going to fold that in. So it should look pretty thick and delicious. When you take out the liners from the freezer, they should be pretty solid. Now we're going to add in the filling. After we filled all the liners up, I'm going to add the rest of the chocolate on top of each one. Okay, so these are what they look like right now. Now I'm going to freeze them for 30 minutes, and then they should be all set to go. And the final product, yes, I did eat one. Oops. So this is what it looks like. Look how cute it is. Taste test. Are you ready? I always forget, it's always best to put like 2 liners in because like I can't have anything nice. Okay, at least it rips off really easy as it's like taking forever. Oh, this is so cute. Will I die if I eat some of this like paper liner? Look how cute. Is there chocolate on my face? I accidentally left these in the freezer for like an hour. So after you keep it in the freezer for 30 minutes, I would put it in the fridge. I would store these in the fridge. Can you see that? Can you say that? Can you say that? Is it good? That is so good. It seriously tastes like a dessert. Yep, that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Is there chocolate on my face? Probably, I don't even know. At this point, who cares? I hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to leave any recipe ideas you want me to do next, and I'll think about it. Till next time, peace.